And now the icing on the cake, the cherry on the top. It's the diva moment, hard to resist. Mr. Jain, there are lots of people who've come in, especially at this hour. It's called the Jain o'clock hour. It's very hard to miss. Sweepstakes or sweet tales with the one and only all heart Mr. Naveen Jain. Before he comes on, let me tell you, he's worked tirelessly in collecting innumerable vouchers because he wants to send as many people happy home from here with holidays to make hereafter. So a big round of applause for him.
So Mohit in his, during the day mentioned that do not have any expectations from me. So, so this applies to me as well. So please don't have any expectations from me, but I will do my best. So एक मेरे को एक शेर याद आया गुलजार साहब का, इतनी अच्छी ये गैदरिंग देख के सोचता हूँ दोस्तों पर मुकदमा कर दूँ, इस बहाने तारीख पर मुलाकात तो होगी। तो ये जो GSC एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना है, इसकी जो तारीख जब डिसाइड होती है तो पहले ही कुछ दिनों में इतनी सारी रजिस्ट्रेशन हमारे पास आ जाती हैं कि हमको लगता है अब ये हाल छोटा पड़ जाएगा। तो मैंने अर्जुन को लास्ट टाइम रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि थोड़ा इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं क्या, बट आई थिंक परहैप्स यू वर वेरी बिजी इन डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, सो यू कैन now, before I get to my vote of thanks, which we had a lovely day today, but we will have this, this time we changed the kind of a modus operandi of giving the gift vouchers, which our many friends have given us very graciously. So we have we have a list of questions, and my submission in humble request is that please raise your hands. Please do not tell the answers if you know, but just raise your hand, and we'll come to you. One of our colleagues will come to you, and and Udiksha has the gift vouchers. She will hand over to you there and then. And gift vouchers are many, so please just keep sitting here and don't go out. Who is going out from Vishwajit? Please sit down. Please sit down. Okay, the first question is, which year EIH was established? And your options are 1946, 1939, and 1949. The last one, go. Mike, please. You have to run fast. This. 1 second, I'm asking him. Yes.
1939.
You please keep sitting down. Okay.
49.
मलिक साहब, आपको ये तो बड़े अच्छे से आपने फिर एक हमारे से गिफ्ट चुरा लिया, कोई बात नहीं, गिव इट टू हिम, गिव बिग हैंड टू अनिल मलिक.
And he wins his stay at the Leela Palace in Jaipur.
Wow. Which year Rai Bahadur started his journey and started working in the hotels? In which year he started working in the hotels? The options are 1920, 1924, and 1922. Just put down your hands and raise it again. I want to see who raised the hand first.
1924.
Okay, स्वरूप के पास आइए. स्वरूप के पास आइए. देना नहीं है अभी, उसने जवाब कहाँ दिया है? Quickly, मेरे पास टाइम बहुत कम है.
1922.
Wow, you knew it, huh? I mean, are you from OCLT? Oh, that is how.
And he wins his stay voucher at the Postcard Hotel.
Wow, Postcard, Kapil Chopra. So, in Postcard, you can get your breakfast anytime. So you can eat it at 3 o'clock also. Which year Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi became chairman of EIH? So there are no options. You have to just tell me the year. Oh, there is a complete silence here. Wow, so we saved the voucher. There is a lady there.
1993, I think.
But she said, keep sitting, please. Next.
96 then.
You also keep sitting. Yes.
Sir, 2001.
You will also keep sitting. Who said first? Deepika, you are the secretary to Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi. So I think I think do you really deserve, or we'll give it to you? Okay, give it to her, please. And she, what she gets? Aurika Udaipur. Wow, beautiful hotel. Who was the GM of the first GM of Rajvilas? The options are Sue Ritz, Huvida Marshall, and there is no third option with me, but you can give me the third option as well. Kanika Hasrat. Go to Kanika Hasrat, please. What?
Mr. Vikram Oberoi.
Oh, good answer. Stand up. Give it to her. Lalit Golf and Spa Resorts, Goa. So you're going to stay in Goa, farthest hotel from the airport. It is about 40 kilometers. But thank you, Vivek. Now there is a tricky question. Winston Churchill was a frequent guest at this hotel. And famous suite was named after him at one of the Oberoi hotels. And sadly, it is not a part of the current portfolio. Which hotel is this? Yeah, I mean, none of the guys sitting in the front row will answer.
Sir, me. Udiksha.
Yeah.
I want to go at it. Udiksha, I want to go at it.
Sir, the Manor House.
The Oberoi Manor House. Sorry, that's
I said
mine.
it.
No, Amarjeet.
I said it first. The
One
Manor
happens
House.
to be the student and the other the batch coordinator. You can decide who you want to give it to.
So, who said first?
Me. The Oberoi Manor House.
Please stand up now. Who said first?
Sir, I'm here already.
Mr. Jain here, sir.
Sir, here. Sir, I'm here.
Okay, you can do one night each.
Yeah.
We'll divide.
give it to Natasha. Give it to Natasha.
We'll divide this.
Sir, I'm here.
And this voucher is for Meena House only.
It's gone to the
So who
Marriott.
can be at the fair, he can go there.
So,
No, well, he gets Aurika Kurg.
Yes, sir. It's a lady who gets
Give it to I forgot your name. Sorry.
Natasha.
Yeah, Natasha. Yeah,
Natasha.
the full name Mehta. Yes, that's right. Okay. Name of the Oberoi Hotel in Africa. Name of the Oberoi Hotel in Africa.
Salashish.
Hoteli Ya Bawawani, Zanzibar.
Please spell out Ya Bhavani.
Ya Bawawani, Zanzibar.
Zanzibar तो सबको पता है. या भवानी के स्पेलिंग बताइए.
DWAWANI.
I beg your pardon.
DWAWANI.
AWAWANI. Yeah, that's right. Who is this genius? Oh, ठीक है आप ठीक है. आप ले लीजिए बाउचर ले लीजिए. Novotel Goa. SSL Kapoor. Which year OSHM was founded? नहीं ये जो OCLD वाले वो नहीं बताएंगे. आप अपना हाथ नीचे रखिए. Which year OSHM was founded?
1962.
62 किसने बोला?
OSM 1962.
किसने बोला 62? I can't see the. Please stand up. No. किसने बोला 1962?
No, I said 1962. OSHM was founded.
किसने बोला? कहाँ है? Please. आप बैठ जाइए. Next. Yes, that's correct. Give him a big hand. This is, you get a Hilton Goa. Thank you, Rohit Dar. Sir. Okay, I'll move next. Which year it got converted to OCLD? OCLD is a very renowned, all the people who are learned people from OCLD. Which
Mr. Jain,
year it got
1998.
OCLD?
1998.
Who said 1998? But please pick up your hand. Please raise your hand. I don't want to answer at all. Please raise your hand. We'll go to you. Please raise your hand. Who said raise your? आपने बोला गदोक साहब?
Sir, here.
Yeah. So go to her, please.
It's 1986.
1986.
I think 86.
1987.
1996.
87?
96. 96.
नहीं 1986 किसने बोला?
मैंने बोला
आप बैठ जाइए.
87. 1987.
आप कमरे से बाहर चले जाइए.
1996.
Who said so? Yeah, you get a good prize. Big hand. She gets Intercontinental Mahabalipuram all the way to South India. Okay, who was the first GM of Oberoi Sheraton Towers, Mumbai? First GM of Oberoi Sheraton Towers, Mumbai. Who said Dieter Johnson? आप बैठे रहो. Dilip, you can't answer because you are a reservoir of information here. And वैसे भी मैंने अजय पकाया साहब ने तो बैन लगाया है ना उसी नंबर्स पर.
Dieter Janssen.
अच्छा पहले हाथ खड़ा करिए पीछे से.
Janssen was second general manager.
नहीं ये जो जितने भी 80 से पहले के हैं वो आंसर नहीं कर सकते ये. आप anybody? Well, Mr. Sareen साहब ने ठीक बोला है, but मैं should I give it to him, Ajay? No, you're not qualified because you belong to that category. But this question is answered already, so we just hold it on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, who was the first GM of Oberoi Intercontinental? First GM of Oberoi Intercontinental. Who is this? Vishwajit.
हाँ जी, मिस्टर वीरेंद्र कुमार.
आप बैठ जाओ. आपने वॉशरूम जाना था ना, ओके आ जाओ वापस. ओके. Please raise your hand only. Quickly, Udiksha, you have to run, यार.
John Esterhazy.
आप भी बैठे रहो. Next. So, we save this voucher, right? Nobody is able to answer. Mr. Kaul, आप भी नहीं दे सकते? No, you are allowed to if you can give your. Okay. So it's William Land. Just for everybody's information. So we save this voucher, but we'll come back to this. Okay. Name of the hotel in Leh. मैंने तो बोला था कि आपने हाथ उठाना है सिर्फ, तो अब ये तीनों लोग डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गए. अब ये वाउचर भी बचा. Disqualified completely. Yeah. Who is the longest service executive in Oberoi Hotels? And this is not the end of the answer. A question, sorry. How many years and which year he joined the company?
You are trying to be clever. You asked who was the longest serving and
मैंने
he is
बोला
still
कि
serving.
this is
It
not the
take
end of the
simple.
question.
If
Mr.
it is
S.L.
wrong, tell
Kapoor,
me.
you have already won, so please don't argue with me. Sit down, please.
Mr. Sibal joined in 51.
Okay, who is the next one?
He's answering.
Joined in 1951.
वनीम मलिक साहब आपको एक ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है. आप you're disqualified again. Anybody else? How many years and which year? No answer? Okay, so we save this voucher. He served for 73 years and still going strong. Big hand to Mr. T.K. Sibal. He called me yesterday and, he spoke for 2 hours with me. So, I was to prepare this note as well. How do I say, Mr. Sibal, that, he was my first boss. कि सर ये फोन बंद करते हैं अभी रात को 10 बज रहे हैं. But he was kept on going to give me the suggestions how to put questions and how to get the answers. So, okay, which was the first Oberoi hotel in Europe? First Oberoi hotel in Europe. Saurabh, you already got the voucher, yeah. So, no, you cannot.
Mr. Vittal Rao.
Vittal Rao, yes. You. How did you know, Vittal? You were not in the loop for the last many years.
Not in the loop? What do you mean?
No, means you were not to be seen and you were doing your own business. So, but well done.
1979.
एक दे दो यार इसको.
Marine Plaza, sir.
लीला पैलेस उदयपुर. No.
Marine Plaza
मरीन प्लाजा, ओके. ओबरॉय नहीं, उसने बताया ना, ओबरॉय कैनरी आइलैंड. ओबरॉय कैनरी आइलैंड, स्पेन. Who was the first president of Oberoi Hotels? First president of Oberoi Hotels.
Mr. Ratan Tata.
Diksha, you go to the first person who raised the hand.
I'm running, sir.
Ratan Tata.
You go to him who said so and then take the answer. Yes, Sanjeev.
Ratan Tata.
Yes, good answer. Good, Sanjeev. Your name is Oberoi, so you perhaps you knew about it.
Congratulations. And he gets Taj Amer Jaipur.
Yeah, okay. First disco in Mumbai. इसके साथ तो बड़े हाथ खड़े हो गए, सारे डिस्को जाते थे, मतलब काम कौन करता था यार वहाँ?
Sir, here.
Yeah, you go to.
Seller.
दे दो वाउचर दे दो इनको. हिल्टन बीच होटल.
Can't give him Hilton Jaipur, sir. ये तो सही.
फर्स्ट डिस्को इन दिल्ली. ये सारे हाथ खड़े हो गए. ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था रतन, ये ठीक नहीं हुआ है. ये क्वेश्चन ठीक नहीं हुआ तबेले वाला. सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ये. Okay, which year Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi was awarded Corporate Hotelier of the World? Which year Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi was awarded Corporate Hotelier of the World? We saved a lot of vouchers, huh, today then? अजय तो OC members को तो देगा नहीं, कैसे करें इन vouchers का फिर? Okay, next question is which famous hotel? But answer मैं बता दूं? Okay, 2010, 2010. Okay, which famous hotel in London did Arjun train at? Arjun, आप नहीं बता सकते इसका आंसर प्लीज. आपको मिल चुका है, आप बैठ जाइए. आपको मिल चुका है, बैठ जाइए.
Claridge's.
आप बैठे रहिए.
The Churchill.
The Savoy.
Yes, Ajit. Wow.
The Churchill.
The untold stories.
He won the voucher for the Hilton in Jaipur.
इसको ताली तो बजा दो. You knew about Arjun Oberoi, यार. Okay, which year did Vikram join Oberoi Hotels? And options are 1990, 1989 and 1992.
Mr. Dhar मिल गया आपको.
जिसको नहीं मिला उसके पास जाना है आपने.
1992.
Yes, that's right. You got it.
She gets a voucher for the Leela Palace in Udaipur.
Now, this is the last one and quite tricky one. Whosoever can spell Mr. Mukherjee's full name with correct spellings. What does SS Mukherjee denotes as? And full spelling and correctly.
Go for Jadip, go for it.
उदीक्षा, आप किसके हाथ खड़ा हुआ था? या ओके?
Sir, Shib, Mr. Shib, SHIB.
Yes, go ahead.
Shankar, SHANKAR.
Okay.
Mukherjee, MUKHERJI.
Wrong. बैठे रहिए.
double E.
अभी भी बैठे रहिए. नहीं, गलत बोला है. आप प्लीज एक करेक्ट आंसर तो आने दीजिए ना. समीर, आपको मिल चुका है ना? अभी मिला है आपको एक. नहीं, अभी आप क्वालिफाइड नहीं है उसके लिए. आप दीक्षा, किसका हाथ खड़ा हुआ अभी? मिस्टर मुखर्जी के पास नहीं जाना भाई. उपल मजुमदार काठमांडू से, बोलिए.
शिव, SHIB.
Yes.
शिव शंकर, SANKER मुखर्जी.
गलत आंसर है. आप बैठे रहिए.
Sir, it's Shib, SHIB. B for Bravo.
Okay.
SANKER MUKHERJI. No? JEE or JE.
आपने बोला SAN, right?
SANKER.
SANKER. She's right? Okay, give a big hand to her.
And Neha is going to the Intercontinental in Jaipur. सही voucher दे दो यहाँ पे.
हाँ जी.
सर मैंने भी सही यही बोला.
आपने SHIV बोला. तो आपने फिर उसको बोल के B for बॉम्बे क्यों नहीं बोला आपने? Okay, I think my quiz questions are over. So Ajay, what do we do with the balance vouchers? Okay. We'll find a way out. So now coming to the vote of thanks, once again the founders of this platform. Founders of this platform needs a big applause who have created this outstanding platform. But as I mentioned last year, the success is because of the cohesiveness of the committee members. It's not only because of the Coco Vandals, but it's the success is because of the committee members also. And I would request Ragini to, if you wanted to speak about our dear chairman, so if you can please say a few words, but you please just be careful.
So I just wanted to say that, firstly, I think the success of this whole thing is not only due to the committee, it's due to all of you who are here with us.
Yeah,
and please continue to be with us. And I'd like to add that the success is also because of the enthusiastic support we get from both Arjun and Vikram. So cheers to that. Thank you. Thank you. And my one thing that I think, as a committee, I think we try to do our best. But the person who I think needs a great ovation, who made us dedicated and pushed us to perform at every stage and pushed us all the way, whether on online meetings or on phone calls. Sudhir. Thank you, Sudhir.
Yeah, of course. So actually, Ragini just stole the show. So what do I do? I mean, I wanted to thank Arjun and Vikram myself. So she just said so. So but do I speak now next? But anyway, I will complete this. So Udiksha, last year, though I didn't go to the Chat GPT, but this year, I just tried for a few minutes. And you know what she said? Immediately, the moment I typed, GSC, she said, "What's wrong with you guys?" मैंने कहा ये क्या मिसने मेरे से पूछ लिया यार? So I said, "What happened?" I wrote, "What happened?" He says, "You Oberoi guys trained at OCLD, you keep coming back to ChatGPT to get your answers." I said, "What happened?" He said, "Yesterday Ravi Swarup came. He said, I'm moderating a session, and this morning Udiksha, I mean, she came and she just kept on eating my brain all the time just to anchor the show. And now you have come." I said, "I'm sorry," but she said, "Are you also from OCLD?" I said, "No." Then he said, "Then it is understandable. Tell me what you want." So, but I never wanted to get further insulted. I just quietly moved out, and whatever I say, it's completely from my heart. So, a big thank you to all of you who contributed to making this conclave another, resounding, successful event. Overwhelming response from all the colleagues, as Mr. Kaul mentioned this morning, that, we had to literally close the registrations 2 days before, but we decided, no, let everybody come in, and we will enjoy all together. It has been a truly enlightening day today, a confluence of minds gathering at the Hospitality Trailblazers, who turned the Oberoi name into synonym with excellence and carried Oberoi legacy with them. ChatGPT nahi hai ye. Outstanding arrangements with most highly impactful sessions as well. So we actually now, we are really truly honored, Mr. Mukherjee, that you could make it. Arjun and Vikram. Vikram is not around, but thank you so much. And Arjun, I am really grateful to you that this time you didn't go to Manali. So thank you so much for planning your calendar better. And Mr. Ravi Buthlingam, we saw for the first time here. Thank you, Mr. Buthlingam. And our special gratitude to our seniors and mentors. I don't think Mr. Nikki Verma is here, but I would like to thank Mr. Chenny Pentel. Thank you so much, sir. And I believe you're not from OCLD, but you studied in Austria. This is what I was told. So, sir, thank you so much for coming over for the request. Mr. Chandanan, thank you so much for, sir. Is Mr. Vadba here? GS Vadba? He was supposed to come. He is not here. Okay. Mr. Virendra Datta, he is also not here. But you must know that these three gentlemen, Mr. Nikki Verma, Mr. Vadva, and Mr. Datta, are from the first batch of Oberoi School of Hotel Management, which is 1966. Our heartfelt thank you to all our colleagues. You know, this Ragini, although she mentioned, but I would like to repeat it again, that who joined from outside Delhi. I mean, this is really requires a lot of effort to, and even from overseas. Professor Chakitan Dev, thank you so much for coming. And, you know, good session with Raj Menon. Raj Menon came all the way from Washington. There's a Sanjeeva Gautam Dasa from Sri Lanka. Can we just see him? Because I don't even know him. Oh, thank you so much for coming. And I believe, Ravish told me that you are giving a good voucher for one of the hotels in Sri Lanka. Is that true? So where is that voucher actually? I didn't get it. You kept it with you, Ravish. OC members are not allowed. But OC members are not allowed to keep it. So thank you, Sanjeeva. Thank you so much for coming and giving the voucher. I will still have to get this, but I will see which hotel is this, and then we'll plan accordingly. The hotel is called Malabar Hills. Oh, ये श्रीलंका जाते कैसे हैं? By train or by? I don't know. I'm just getting educated. Amarjeet Kudle, he came all the way from the hills. Jaideep Singh from Bangalore. Mr. Suresh Mathur from Surat. Mr. Vijay Diwan from Calcutta. Mr. Mukherjee from Calcutta. Sanju Samuel from all the way from Cochin. And our dear NRI, HNI, Punita Chadda, just landed from London this morning. Good to see people who are still working with Oberois, starting from Mohit Narula to Dhruv to Shalja to Sangeeta couldn't make it today. She had some family issue. Ramesh and Vishy, thank you so much, Vishy, for all the beautiful arrangements. It's truly a global hospitality conclave. In the beginning we remembered Mr. Oberoi and Mr. Mudok and our colleagues Deepak and Binoy. तो मेरे को एक चीज याद आई, कौन कहता है अंत आया तो मैं चला जाऊंगा, मैं तो दरिया हूं समुद्र में उतर जाऊंगा. You know, these lines truly reflect Mr. Madhok and Mr. Oberoi, a journey which was like a river, which does not end even when they are not around with us, but merges seamlessly into the vastness of the sea, suggesting continuity and eternity, leaving behind a brand and that touched every corner of the globe. And their vision and creativity continue to inspire and resonate with all of us. Thank you so much, Mr. Oberoi, for bringing us up to this platform. Before I proceed, it's a matter of great pride to mention that Oberoi Grand, Calcutta, is one of the 50 esteemed recipients of the highly coveted Blue Plaque as cultural icon from the Eastern Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTACT, which marks a significant milestone in celebrating the hotel enduring historic and cultural significance. A big applause to the Oberoi family and to the Oberoi Hotel and to company and to all of us. Now, there is a question to Arjun. Should I ask Mr. Mukherjee or to Arjun? But I don't know whom. The EIH share price was 142 years ago, and suddenly it is touching 480. This yesterday morning I saw it. Arjun, any reason for jumping 3 times, 4 times? And why didn't you tell us last year that buy the shares? Oh, no, I'm not saying insider trading, but I think you should have told us that your ARRs are going so high that profitability will increase 3-fold, 4-fold. Last year, you gave the best results of the company ever, and this year I'm sure it must have gone up by at least 20% more. So, Arjun, last year you were to open a champagne, but please do something outside this year. Ratan, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? Okay, you want me to go fast? हाँ. अच्छा, चलो मैं बोलता हूँ, कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी यार. अच्छा. Okay, सुधीर के बारे में हमारे रागनी ने already बोल दिया है. But our big thank you to our Vice Admiral Anil Chopra ji for his efforts, who helped us in getting 2 prominent keynote speakers, Professor Rajamohan and Shri Gurcharan Das, A big hand to Anil Chopra and Ragini also for coordinating, and Ajay also to meeting them, to brief them as to what topic they need to speak. This time, most of our meetings, I just to tell you the kind of process which we followed. As Ragini mentioned, most of the meetings happened online. Offline, I think there were only 1 or 2 meetings where we had a glass of red wine hosted by Sudhir again. But mostly on the Microsoft team, right, Sudhir? I mean, you didn't have the Zoom. So this year, unlike earlier years, Ragini was quite regular in attending the meetings. But most of the time in the meeting, she was in the car. And the car would enter exactly after 5 minutes in a no signal zone. And she will drop off. But look at the contribution she gave. Even only that 5 minutes, and after that no signal zone, 2 prominent speakers you gave, Ragini. What else do we need? What else have we? So so it is said that you don't need to spend hours to do a job. You can do a quality job in 5 minutes as well. So most of us, keep perhaps pretending that we are doing a good job, but Ragini, you are exceptional. Thank you. So Shyam and Ashish, they are both in Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, where the connectivity has to be just right. But they could never join any meeting. Always the message used to come, we are not able to connect. So Shyam, but they are starting a Bangalore chapter, which we are really proud of. And Shyam and Ashish, we really look forward to that Bangalore chapter. All of us will fly, but please do something this year. You have been promising since long. Thank you. Okay. Another thing happened with one of our colleagues, Mansoor Adil Saab. His laptop could not take the load of this Microsoft team. And it was already overloaded with Zoom. So, he just couldn't, but he gave a good offline support. And Mansoor, thank you so much for contributing. हमारे अजय बकाया जी को-फाउंडर होने के बावजूद भी इतनी ज़्यादा उन्होंने डेलीगेशन की इस बार उन्होंने कोई अपनी सजेशन नहीं दिया, एक्सेप्टिंग एक चीज़ के ऊपर वो अड़े रहे, कोई भी उसी मेंबर को होटल वाउचर नहीं मिलेगा. तो अजय, thank you so much for your contribution. And Vivek, as usual, you did a fantastic. Where is Vivek Sareen? Vivek, fantastic, lots of hard work. It is not easy to coordinate with you, and to tell you, I'm sorry, up to Vichy, I thought Vichy, then you did a good job with the service providers for the entire setup and outstanding arrangements. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you for coordinating and with the visual team. And we also wish to acknowledge the full-hearted support provided by Sudhir Gupta and his colleagues, Kamini Sharma. Tanuj, are you in the room? Please stand up and raise your hand. There are two colleagues are sitting complete. अभी भी शायद बाहर ही बैठे होंगे. Vaibhav Sharma and Jasmine. They handle the reception desk. Thank you very much, Sudhir, for complete infrastructure provided to us. And the members of your marketing team. Thank you so much. Now big thank you to Vidyadhar Swami and his team for taking care of the audio visual arrangements. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vidyadhar. Thank you. I just want to tell you that we have a huge talent in our, in this hall. I just was talking to some people. Please, Ajay to 100 kilometers cycle chalate hain har Sunday ko, and he just sends a meter reading to us so that we all get inferiority complex. And every morning he will leave at Sunday morning at 5 o'clock and come back at 10 o'clock and click the photo and send it to us. And people who are just not done anything eating the breakfast, they just get so ashamed. But it's okay. What can we do? I mean, he has to do it. Then oh, it's there. Oh, wow. Do you have another picture? I met Jaideep Singh. He's an Iron Man. He did 1.9 kilometers swimming, then after that 100 kilometers cycling. Oh my God, who is this? Oh, this is Naveen Jain, by the way, doing yoga. So big hand to Naveen Jain as well. कोई और पिक्चर भी है? ये देखिए, headstand. No, I must tell you, I'm learning now handstand, and next year GSC I'll be walking on my hands on this stage. And it's not a joke, huh? It's not a joke. As Ajay did seriously 100 kilometers, I can also do hand this walking on this. So Jaideep Singh is the Iron Man. Give a big hand to Jaideep Singh. the golfers like Dilip Pulipuri, Amarjit, I just met him and he says, I'm a pyrographer. I couldn't understand. Then he showed me the Google. I said, what pyrographer means is you burn the wood and then you create something out of that. And he's a calligrapher and the stone engraver. So we have a lot of talent. So I think next year when Sudhir, when we do the registration form, we should also mention what talent do you possess, so that at least we have some evenings together to show this. Big round of applause to our speakers. I think it was a great day today. Lots of valuable learnings and experiences with us. Thank you so much for Professor Raja Mohan. Thank you, Cheki, for the Raj Menon. It was a truly outstanding session. The people from the Oberoi alumni, the Arif Patel, the cricketer and Formula One, the Mohit Nurullah bring a lot of laughter to the session. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you, realigning your forces to Oberoi. Mentioned this mosquito. Once happened, what happened? You were asking about anecdote. So Mr. Oberoi, one of the FRMs asked Mohit. I said, Mohit, you are using this mosquito repeller. Do you know that it is a killer? It can kill the people. He said, no, Mr. Oberoi, everybody is checking out every day. So that was his answer. Vivek Shukla, Vijay Devan, thank you so much for bringing it us. And Gen Z, I learned few words today, Ravish. Thank you so much. And I'm going to start using it. Let's see how the response comes. So from my wife, Madhu, she will slap me, I know. Swiggy's story was another brilliant session. Thank you for enlightening us about the consumer behavior. And it is not a delivery, it is the experience of the consumer. Building winning brands, of course, the kind of Oberoi made a brand. I think nobody can compare it. So big hand to Oberoi brand as well. Brand is only built by passion. Design and culture. Then after that we had a Gurcharan Das ji. It's a good session. Thank you, Ranga, for showing us the balancing between no Ganti, please, no Ganti. I'm just finishing. Mr. Mukherjee, very enlightening and we were full of laughter and humor while you were taking a session, and it was showing your actual practical experience with you. And Mr. Mukherjee, I was really fortunate to work with you directly for many years of my career, and you shaped up my career. And of course, I also worked with Rai Bahadur and Mr. P.R.S. Oberoi, and whatever you said was completely right. I also want to take this opportunity to mention and congratulate all the colleagues who, with their hard work and commitment, stepped out and with their strong foundation and created successful businesses. Mr. Anil Madhok, NHA Bakaya, Sarovar Hotels, Mr. Narendra Verma, Hospitality Consultants, Sudhir Gupta, TLC, Kainaz, Theo Burma, Kapil Chopra, Postcard, Dilip Puri, Indian School of Hospitality, Ashish Vora, Justa Hotels and Bookmark Resorts, Amnan Ghosh, Prologic First, Ram Vittal Rao, Vittal Design Concepts, Punita Chadda, The Artisan Market, Ravi Swaroop, Praxisen and OneFineRate.com, Hemant Mandirata, One Rep Global, Ajit Pavitran, Untold Stories, Amarjit Kudle, LVB Experiences. He has opened 7 boutique properties in Himachal and UK. Nidhi Bansal, India City Walk, Ravi Tejan, Nidhi Bansal, High Life, which is a corporate gifting, a beautiful business and then doing very well. Sanju Samuel, Texotech, Licious, he's also Oberoi colleague, but I don't know his name. He sits in Bangalore. And Ranga, of course, the Laugh Way. Yeah. So it is said that you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And thank you all our colleagues to do this. My sincere apologies in case I have missed out any name. Big thank you to our sponsors and Vivek for coordinating with our suppliers for the bar today. This is the most important part as everybody is waiting to go out. Just 1 second, let me just complete, नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा कि मैंने कहना क्या है. एक गालिब का एक शेर याद आता है, सारे ताबीज पहनकर देख लिए गालिब, सकून तो 2 पैक लगाने के बाद ही आया. So big thank you to Diageo for all the spirits, music and Fratelli for wines. But Vivek, have you checked that you have written here non-alcoholic? I believe the single malts and the black label is alcoholic. So just make sure that they are all alcoholic drinks. So no, why it is written non-alcoholic? No, so I got confused. So I am Is it alcoholic drinks we are serving today? Yes. Okay. She said yes. Okay. We are extremely thankful for the stay vouchers given to us by all our colleagues. Oberoi Hotels, Arjun, thank you so much. Coordinated by Dhruv. Postcard, Kapil, Aurika, Geeta. Geeta is not here today. Somehow we missed her. Marriott Hotels, thank you Raj, thank you Dilip for coordinating it. Taj Hotel, thank you Sanjeev. Leela Hotels, Anurag, thank you Dilip. Jasta Hotels, Ashish Vora. Radisson Hotels, Sanjeev, thank you. Hilton Hotels, Rohit Dhar, thank you Dhruv for coordinating it. Accor, Ragini. Ragini, thank you for getting us good vouchers. Intercontinental Hotels, Vishwati Chima, Jasta Ashish Vora, Lalit Vivek Shukla, and Leela, Jaideep, Leela dinner vouchers, Jaideep Anand. Thank you Jaideep. Our venue, a big thank you to the team of The Oberoi, New Delhi, led by Visheshwar Raj Singh. And we call him Vishy for a meticulous attention for details. Apart from all the team members working behind the scene, we would like to acknowledge the efforts put in by Priyanka Maniktala, the bank director, banquet sales, Arjun Diwan, F&B manager, Rajat Gulati, banquet manager, executive chef Manish, executive sous chef Sachin, banquet chef Rajiv, for the outstanding arrangement and the sumptuous foods with their creativity during lunch and the breaks. But I'm sure the dinner will further reflect the super creativity. And can you please just be here? We just want to acknowledge you. All of you, please come in forward so that people can see you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vishy. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you for teaching me how to do the pocket hanky. Thank you. All the credit should go to general managers. Okay, I will just take 2 minutes more, Mr. Buthalinga, if you can please sit down. Just 2 minutes more. I would request all the colleagues to come forward and give your suggestions to us and help us to plan all our future GSCs with some new ideas, some new innovation. Shelja, I have a special request to you. If you can please make it a KRA for all these executives working in the Oberoi that they must attend this. And this is one of the points of the KRA, please. Otherwise, no salary. This is your own platform. Please give us the feedback so that we can improve year on year. अभी हम केक काटने से पहले बस एक चीज़ मैं अजय के लिए बोलना चाहूँगा. अजय ने अभी सब खाना पीना सब छोड़ रखा है, तो सिर्फ पीने के बारे में बोलता हूँ अजय के लिए. हम तो बदनाम हुए कुछ इस कदर कि पानी भी पिए तो लोग कहते हैं शराब पी रहे हो. So we are just going to celebrate the birthdays of Udiksha. Big hand to Udiksha. And birthdays of Punita Chadda Khanna, which is tomorrow, and Upal Majumdar, which is tomorrow. Please come forward. Udiksha, come quickly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
आप भी आओ ना पुनीता. Please cut the cake. Please cut the cake.
I'll cut it quickly before Mr. Jain, otherwise we'll keep talking.
Thank you very much, everyone. The bar is waiting outside, and let's enjoy the evening now. Thank you so much for being. Group photo, please. Group photo. Sorry, my mistake. Group photo. A big hand to the vote of thanks as well. Big hand.